We are out at a beautiful state park today, still finding litter. So let's clean it up. We just saw an otter and beautiful waterways. See what else we find.
Look at them go.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of it. There he goes, still swimming along.
Well, everybody, it was a beautiful day. We only found a tiny bit of trash. A couple mile walk. Pretty excited about that. And not one single water bottle. So I'd say it was a great day for the planet, for the park, and for people. Remember, every piece counts. Hope you had a beautiful day. Have a great rest of your weekend. Happy Memorial Day. Bye. Well, I jinxed myself and got 2 water bottles on the way back.